Hello friends, welcome to our channel Speak Kashmiri Easily. In this lesson, we will learn about usage of personal pronouns in Kashmiri and will only focus on feminine and singular forms of these personal pronouns. Remember, all you have to do is to repeat after me. Let's get started. Buchas tayar gachan. Buchas tayar gachan. I am getting ready. Tsukyah chak karan. Tsukyah chak karan. What are you doing? Remember, Tsukyah chak karan is a universal question, and we could also use another form of asking this question. Tsuchaka tayar gachan. Tsuchaka tayar gachan. This sentence, a question, is used when we know or want to inquire if somebody is getting ready. Tsuchaka tayar gachan. Ye chhe tayar gachan. Ye chhe tayar gachan. She is getting ready. Hu chhe tayar gachan. Hu chhe tayar gachan. Ha chhe tayar gachan. Ha chhe tayar gachan. She is getting ready. Ye is used when the person is in your eyesight and very close to you. Ha is used when the person you're speaking about is in your line of sight but a bit far away from you. And then the last version of the personal pronoun is swa. Swach hai tayar gachan. She is getting ready. Swa is used when the person about whom you're talking about is not in your line of sight and far away from you. Let's do a quick recap of all these sentences. Repeat after me. Buchas tayar gachan. Tsukyah chak karan. Tsuchaka tayar gachan. Yiche tayar gachan. Ho che tayar gachan. So che tayar gachan. That is it in this lesson. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye.